How's it going? Welcome back to the daily vlog. So today we are planning to do a whole bunch of carpet. I can't say a whole bunch. Let's see what we got going on anyway. So, the living room here, we're going to do this. We got this all seamed up yesterday. And I want to point something out. This is crucial. See the felt over the tack strip so the clients do not poke their feet. Anyway, felt there anywhere that the tack strip and doorways. Anyway, what we're going to do today is we're going to try to get this done, this bedroom here done. We're going to get this. There's 15-foot goods, plush carpet. It does have soft back, but it's plush. Going in this bedroom and in that bedroom right there. And I do have to make one seam. I've got to seam on one of these closets. I haven't measured these rooms to see which one I left the closet on. I think this one right here is going to be a drop, and over there in the other room is where I'm going to have to seam the closet on. So let's get to work. Okay. So I'm not doing nothing this one. Grab bottom layer. Yeah, I guess. Look pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna take this out because of that. Right there. We'll take this out and go to that wall, okay? Go be pregnant, go to the last one, go play. Okay, go under. This direction. Let's just see how much is on that. That's how much you want to bring it this way. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Just want to pull that down. We've got just enough there, okay? Just be gentle. We don't want to get too crazy. You're good. Okay. Just like we are good right there. Make it heavy. Okay. It looks good. Ready to go? We'll get all this stuff back. There we go. All right, that's perfect right there. That is good. Come on, let's go around walls with the second time. Got it. You got a gap right there and you stack it on both sides. Oh. What? Oh.
And I was working clean stuff up in there, and I just busted open again.
Yep.
I was like,
It does that.
usually gotta keep it covered up. Sometimes 2 or 3 days just because of that. It may not be done that day, but bump it and I'll start bleeding. Then you'll have 11 parts somewhere, not even know. Yeah.
All right, Luke.
You ready for me, Truman?
Put my headpiece right there. Yeah, I'll get this ready for you.
Got it.
Actually, I'll switch it around. How about that?
Got it. Okay, so just open it up.
Start trimming the top of that.
Yep.
Yes, there, you silly knife. You crazy silly knife.
That mine?
What?
No, this is mine.
It's on my schedule.
No, but that's okay. I'll look at it.
You sure about that?
I'm sure it is. It's all sit beside me.
Put on your blog again, your little video thing. Long day today, but look here.
Yeah. Well, this came in today, probably 30, 45 minutes after I got here. Store owner called, text, and said, hey, the plank's in. So, luckily, the client's like, hey, I'll go get that for you. So we was able to put this down before I actually had to work the carpet. So I'm glad about that. And the Zeba DZ bar on nice and pretty, nice and straight. Nice and straight. Hey sugar, what's up girl? Looking good, looking good. I wasn't talking to you. Oh, yesterday what we got done, Ben's wasn't able to do a little walk through here. We got this bathroom right here all done up yesterday. And trimmed out and everything like that. And this is the master closet. The closet of the masters. And tomorrow, this is all we got right here. Tomorrow we'll do this master bedroom. And I got this step right here. Got this step right here to do vinyl plank on. I'm kind of on the fence about what to do with it. I don't know if I just want to wrap some stair nosings with the vinyl plank or if I want to do something fancy with it. So I'm kind of undecided right now. We'll see what happens. Really fast. Alrighty, so we got all the furniture put back. Everything is set back up. Ready to go. What time is it? Anybody know what time it is?
4:45.
5:45. Pulled a little bit of a late day today, but we got everything done. Everything that we wanted to get done, we got done. So glad of that. This room is all set back up, ready to go. I kind of like how they match their colors there. Did real good with the plush matched up to the Berber that they got going on here. And this room is all good too. I got some lens protectors on my camera lenses yesterday, and I'm not liking how it tries to messing up my focus. Anyway, that is it. Oakley dokley party people, we are done and we're in the van headed that way now. It is 10 minutes to 6. Put in a pretty good day today. Kind of tired. Been a long time since I worked hard. Actually, just kind of work all the time instead of working hard. So, trying to get back in the routine of getting it. Gotta get it. Gotta get them Benjamins. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning into the daily vlog. Lucas FBSB is